And remember, guys, when Krisha mentions confirmation, she's referring to the fact that we're looking for a 2 candle close underneath the 200 simple moving average over here, right, on the 3-day time frame. So we're looking for 2 candles, right, to close underneath there, not just one. Because the first candle could essentially be your, hey, let's get ready. So for example, over here, let's zoom in a tad bit over here. You'd be like, okay, I'm going to get ready now for my trade underneath the 200 simple moving average on the 3-day. And then when the candle has come up to retest over here, right, you guys could actually look to trade this and put on your trade. Okay, and that's again still an aggressive maneuver because you don't have confirmation just yet. You have to wait for the candle to close. And what happens, guys? The candle does not close. So even though you put a short trade here, the candle closed above. What do? Well, you take your loss, right? Take your loss. It's fine, right? Losing is part of the game. Take your loss and get out. Because had you been stubborn, you would have to deal with this rally going against your trade. Right. Exactly. Now, yes, in hindsight, you can be like, hey, I had a really, really nice chance to break even right over here. But how many days were you waiting? Each one of these candles is 3 days. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 days before you finally got your retest, right? Could have been a bit longer. Could have been on a 15th day, 2 weeks of waiting in a losing position. But this 3-day 200 moving average has proven to have really good edge on these bigger, higher time frame moves, right? Krisha just showed it to you guys. We've looked at it, right? Now, I think it would be safe to actually look for that move based on confirmation underneath 3-day 200 moving average, and that would point us down to 20,000 if I remember. Yeah, correct. So again, guys, you have the charts at the end of the day are used primarily for risk management, right? You have to see it for what it is. Call a spade, and if things are looking bad, right, you got to get into the mindset of being cautious, right? You don't want to be trying to buy into a massive volatile move with high leverage. Rather, we are thinking that, hey, this is the bottom. Never try to call bottoms, because the bottom could be 20,000 and you're liquidated before the bottom actually really shows its face. So no, have your invalidation points drawn in the sand, right? Drawn in a hard rock, so that way you can't change it, and know when to turn into a cautious posture. So yeah, this is a quick example of when to wait for confirmation, when you can actually enter a bit earlier before confirmation, right? And if it goes against you, how to take the loss and just get out of it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you did, smash the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, well, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe as well as the bell icon, that way you are notified every time we're out. And with this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.
Ciao.